today we are looking at this kitchen appliance playset. I got this set at Walmart. Okay, so this kitchen appliance playset has a coffee maker. It has 2 coffee cups here. Cheers. It has a coffee pot. It has some sugar, some pretend milk. It has some coffee beans. It has 2 donuts. I love coffee. I love donuts with my coffee. And it has a smoothie maker. So this is a blender. And it has all kinds of different fruit. It's got some bananas, strawberries, blueberries, and a mango. And then it has 2 cups, so you can have smoothies with your friends. And then in the blender, it's got another banana and another strawberry. So here we have a button that turns it on and off, or from one side of the machine to the other. So this would be off. And if we want to make this kind of coffee, drip coffee, we would turn the dial this way. And if we want to turn it to this style of coffee, which is espresso, we turn it to this knob. It's got a little clock, and I think this is the little power button. Okay, so then we can steam the coffee. So if we take our coffee beans, and let's pretend to pour them up here. Right? Pour some coffee beans in there, and then down here in this thing, we can put some coffee beans in there. We're gonna pretend to put the coffee beans in there. Okay, and then we'll put this back up here just like this. It's like you're a real barista. And then up here, we can put some water. So I'm gonna take the lid off of there, and I'm just gonna add some water I have in a water bottle. And then we'll put the lid back on there. That we have our coffee in here, our water, and our coffee in here. Let's make this coffee first, and we're gonna start by turning this dial to the right. Okay, and now that that coffee is brewed, let's go ahead and brew this coffee, and we'll turn the dial to the left. So guys, there we have it. We have 2 different styles of coffee. We have the espresso style here, and we have the drip coffee right here. Let's go ahead and pour a cup of that in this other empty cup we have here. And then we could add our cream, our milk, and our sugar. And now we have our blender here, and our fruit, and our 2 cups. And let's see what the blender does. Let's take the fruit out of the blender right now. We have a banana. Let's put the banana in. And we have a strawberry. Let's put the strawberry in the blender. Put the lid on the blender. And let's push the button. See what happens. It is blending up the fruit. So if you like to make a banana strawberry smoothie, these are the ingredients you would use. You would use a banana and a strawberry. And you would put them in a blender with some other ingredients and you would make yourself a strawberry banana smoothie. And then that would be all blended up, and then we can take this off of the base of the blender and we can pour our smoothie into our cup. And then if you don't like strawberry banana, maybe you like mango and strawberry or blueberry. Oh, I think we overfilled this one. Let's take the strawberry out and we'll just do mango and blueberries. Or are those grapes? I'm not sure if those are grapes or blueberries. Okay, so these are blueberries. This is a banana. Here we have a mango and a strawberry. Let's put the blueberries in for a blueberry smoothie. All done. Here is your blueberry smoothie. Now let's make another strawberry and banana smoothie. Put the banana and the strawberry in, put the lid on, and let's blend it. And I don't know if you noticed, but this light turns on when you press the power button. Okay, and there is your strawberry banana smoothie. Enjoy! We'll see you guys next time.